So for this one, we have a capo placed onto the 3rd fret and we are in standard tuning. So the intro goes. Like that. So that's really just G, referring to all the chords as if there were no capo. It's just G to C major 7. All right, so just hold down the bass note of your G chord, play that, and then you can place the 3rd string, then the 2nd, then the 6th, and then the 3rd twice. So like that. Okay, and then it's to your C major 7. So just hold down. We'll start off with just hold down the 3rd fret on the 5th string and play that with the 4th string together, and then hammer the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Then play the 3rd string, the 2nd, the 5th, the 3rd, and then the open 4th. So like that. So if you put all of that together, you've gone. And you do it twice for the intro. So you can play it like that if you want to, just finger picking it. But if you watch me, I'm doing it all with my thumb and my index like this. I find it just gives it a slightly more sort of percussive, strummy feel to it. So all I'm doing there is on the counts of 2 and 4, I'm just using my thumb and my index finger. On the counts of 2 and 4, I'm doing a down pick with the back of the nail on my index finger. So like 1, 2, and bass, up, up. So bass, and then down pick on the 3rd string, and then up on the 2nd, and then bass, and then 3rd string, up, up. So. And then on the C, I'll strum with my thumb, and then down pick on the 3rd string, up on the 2nd, and then bass, up on the 3rd, and then down on the open 4th string. Okay? Like that. So however you want to play it, finger pick it, or kind of do this more strummy finger picking that I'm doing, it's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. But that's the intro. That then, of course, goes into the verse. So, I would like to leave this city. Okay, so it's still, well, the first 4 bars anyway are just G to the C. So it starts on the G, play the bass. Then you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. You can include the open 3rd string in there if you want to, but play those 2 together. And then pull that 3rd fret on the 2nd string off the open, and then back onto the 3rd. So, like that. And then play that 3rd fret once more. So, I would like to. And then our C major 7. But then play strings 1 and 5, then the 3rd string twice, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So let's leave this city. Okay? And then we got. So it's on the G to start. Play the bass note with the open 2nd, then the 3rd fret on the 2nd, and again, and then open 2nd, and then open 1st. So there's salt don't smell. Okay, then to our C, play your bass note, open 3rd, and then 2, put off the open, back onto 2, on the third string. So, okay, so those two bars. So you put those 4 bars together, you've gone. And then we've got. So it's really nice. We're on a G, play the bass, then open hammer to 3 on the second string. Okay, then the bass goes down to the 2nd fret, play that with that 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So, and then the 2nd string, 3rd fret once more, open top, and then bass, open 6th string because it's an E minor chord, and then 3rd fret on the top string, 1st string, and then again, and then bass, and then just a very light strum, roughly targeting the 2nd and 3rd string. So altogether that's. So. I think that's the lyrics, but you get the idea. And then running around my mind. So this bit's, it's an A or an A7 chord. I'm barring the top 2 strings on the 5th fret, and then holding down the 6th fret on the 3rd string, but starting with the 7th fret on the top string. Okay, so that's your chord with the 5th string and the bass. So play those 4 strings together, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Then we pull that 7th fret off to the 5th. Then you're going to play the 8th fret on the 2nd string, back to the 5th fret on the top string. So that's, and then on the 1st string, 7th fret, and then down. And I hold down a C add 9 chord like this. So I know if you're learning this song, I know you know how to play a C add 9 chord, but it's the 3rd fret on strings 1, 2, and 5. Okay, but with that held down, I'll just play the 1st string, and then bass, and then strum, and then bass, up, down, up. So bass, strum, strum, strum. So you're going. So from here you're going. Okay, so those 4 bars. Okay, all together. I would like to leave this city. And then it goes through the chord progression again. So starts the same, you're back on your G. So it's exactly the same as before. You play the bass note and then 3, pull off to open, back to 3 on the 2nd string. You can get the G or the 3rd string in there if you want to as well on the first one, like that. Okay, and then you C, just strings 1 and 5, and then 3rd string, twice, up to the 2nd string, and then open. So. That's the. And when I leave this island home, and then myself into a soul asylum. So after that it goes to G, bass note with the open 2nd string, up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, twice. So, and then. So that there is open 2nd string, hammer the 3rd fret, pull off to open. And then open top string. Okay, so like. Okay, back to your C, bass, and then third string open twice, and then second fret on the third string. Okay, so all together. And then you're straight back to I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. So it's exactly the same. The only difference is on the A, we go like that. We hold this note, and then it goes down, bass on your C, and then strum on 2. So first time we went. This time it's just, it's such a tiny little change. You could play it exactly the same both times, and you know, it would be absolutely fine. But here's that difference once more. The first time is we play that third fret just before playing the bass here, and then the second time through we play it on the strum. Okay, so bass, strum, bass, up, down, up. And that's how you play the verse. So right the way back to the start, we have gone. So if you're enjoying this and you want to learn how to play the rest of the song, then just follow the link through down in the description. It's going to take you through to my website. You can get the rest of the lesson over there completely for free, and you can learn how to play the rest of this arrangement. So check it out.